Adopting silicon carbide requires identifying the correct combination of silicon carbide MOSFETs, gate drivers, and controllers, and this is complicated by the many combinations available. Wolfspeed SpeedVal Kit, available from Mouser Electronics, is a modular evaluation platform that allows users to easily evaluate and optimize the high-speed dynamic switching performance of Wolfspeed silicon carbide MOSFETs when paired with a range of gate driver options. It supports half-bridge buck or boost mode configurations up to 15 kilowatts. The kit includes a motherboard that allows users to quickly swap different power daughter cards, gate driver cards, an optional control card, and other accessories for evaluation and thermal testing in actual operating conditions. These are verified to be compatible and offer a range of power topologies, package types, and voltages to support virtually any application.